Welcome back. The High Court has rejected a petition challenging tender awarded to Drishti Special Response Private Limited for providing life-saving services on Goan beaches. The High Court has refused to give an early hearing to a petition filed by organizer of Sunburn Music Festival, Percept Media, against Viacom 18, which is organizing Supersonic Music Festival at Kandulim.
The High Court on Monday dismissed a petition filed by Fadte Precision Private Limited challenging tender awarded to Drishti Special Response Private Limited for providing life-saving services at Goan Beach. Drishti has won the tender to provide life-saving services on Goan beaches but the number 2 bidding company. Fadte Precision has alleged that government extended the bidding date to help Drishti. Petitioners also claim that they are more experienced than Drishti. In reply, Advocate General Atmaram Nadkarni stated that the tender was awarded to Drishti on the basis of bidding amount, which was 4 crore, less than the petitioner's company. Relying upon the statement of Advocate General, the High Court dismissed the petition. Meanwhile, the High Court refused to give an early hearing to a petition filed by organizer of Sunburn Music Festival, Percept Media, against Viacom 18, which is organizing Supersonic Music Festival at Kandulim. Percept has dragged Viacom 18 and owners of the land where Sunburn used to be organized since 2007 at Kandulim. Percept has alleged that the agreement between them and the venue owners have been terminated illegally. While adjourning the hearing, the High Court has observed that the matter is not related to large public interest. Hence, it does not require urgent hearing. Reporter Mukesh Kumar for Prudent.
Akanksha, Salunkhe and Yash Fadte are all set to participate in British Open Squash Championship in England. Two of Goa's brightest squash players, Akanksha and Yash, are working hard in training under coach Rahman Hubli at Chikalim. One of the top squash tournaments in the world, the British Open, will be held in Sheffield, Yorkshire from 2nd to 6 January 2014.
दिन में पाँच घंटे करीब 5 घंटे के आसपास हम लोग प्रैक्टिस कर रहे हैं। उसमें सब कुछ आ गया, फिटनेस सब कुछ। और आकांक्षा अभी टॉप 6 में है अभी इस वर्ल्ड में, तो उसका हम लोग उसी तरीके से हम प्रैक्टिस कर रहे हैं। और यश फटते भी हमारा टॉप 6 में है एशिया में, तो उसका भी हम लोग काफ़ी हार्ड प्रैक्टिस कर रहे हैं। हमें काफ़ी गारंटी है इसमें कि इस बार बहुत ही अच्छा रिजल्ट मिलेगा। लास्ट टाइम भी हम लोगों ने इसी तरीके से प्रैक्टिस किया था। यश फटते हांगकांग ओपन जीत के आया और आकांक्षा डच ओपन अभी जस्ट जीत के आई है और काफ़ी अच्छा परफॉर्मेंस काफ़ी अच्छा दे रहे हैं लोग।
टॉप मोस्ट प्लेयर्स कम टू प्ले एंड the world's best tournament to play, and this is my first experience to represent India, and we are training so hard, and so we all are hoping for a good result.
Mount Litera Z School claims to have erected the biggest crib in Goa at Zuarinagar, Sankwal. The biggest crib is surprisingly prepared by the tender hands of 3rd and 4th standard students. During a special function, children participated in the fancy dress competition. Have a look. And with this, we come to an end of this news bulletin. Keep watching Prudent.
तुम्ही पळयतात Prudent. You're watching Prudent.